did see dog poo in our yard. Someone's letting their dog poo. Wait, look, there was some over there. Yeah, they don't pick it up. Is that what causes the mushrooms?
Yeah. I don't want to get too many eggs from
The buffet?
Yeah, because you just buy them from the grocery store. All these are Emily.
Super windy. Windiness is coming back. Go ahead. Oh no! Stand over there. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. You have to come over here. Like where I'm at. Okay. They are. Okay, let's go. A bunch of leaves got inside. Oh, let's brush your hair, and there's a leaf in your hair, Nova. Nova, you gotta not be carried all the time. Maybe she's tired, but hang on, little girl.
I gotta get the sauce in that. We did fried chicken for Dante.
Yeah, I guess she's got pancakes. Put her down again. I don't know. Nova.
These containers I
Just relax. It's okay. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Strawberry pancakes. Yummy. You good, little girl? Oh dear. There you go. Uh-oh. So loud. Oh yeah, go ahead. Did she make the grocery, the kids' seats forward facing? That would be cool. Nice. Turn the movie.
Hey, look, Civil War's out.
Okay, we watched Ninja Turtles too. It was good. I liked it.
Oh. I'm gonna buy Civil War. And Winter Soldier.
windy.